If I told you that a tiny piece of your skeleton could hold up a car, would you believe me? Sounds like a superhero's origin story, right? But it's not, it's science. Pound for pound, human bones are stronger than concrete. That's right. The very structure inside your body is a natural marvel of engineering, capable of withstanding immense pressure and force. But how can something so fragile-looking beat concrete, the stuff we use to build skyscrapers? And if bones are this strong, why do they break so easily when you fall off a bike? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your body the same way again. Let's start with a simple truth: your body is a masterpiece. From the way your heart pumps blood without you even thinking about it to how your brain processes the world around you in microseconds, the human body is full of wonders. But today, we're focusing on one specific part of it, your bones. You might think of bones as just there. They're what hold you up, protect your organs, and give your body shape. But what if I told you that they're also one of the strongest materials on Earth? Imagine this. A piece of bone the size of a matchbox can hold up to 18,000 pounds of weight. That's equivalent to the weight of 3 elephants stacked on top of each other. And yet, we've all experienced, or at least heard of, broken bones. So, how can something so strong still break under the right, or wrong, conditions? In this video, we're diving deep into the science of bones. How they're built, why they're so strong, and what makes them so unique compared to materials like steel or concrete. And trust me, the answers are going to surprise you. Here's the thing: despite their incredible strength, bones can, and do, break. In fact, millions of fractures happen every year around the world. So, what gives? How can something that's technically stronger than concrete snap so easily from a fall or an awkward landing? The answer lies in how bones are built and the forces they're designed to handle. Bones aren't just about brute strength, they're also about flexibility, resilience, and adaptability. But that delicate balance can sometimes be a double-edged sword. And it's not just accidents that challenge our bones. Over time, factors like age, diet, and even lifestyle choices can weaken them. Osteoporosis, a condition that makes bones brittle and fragile, affects millions of people, especially as they age. So, while bones might start out as one of the strongest materials on the planet, keeping them that way is another story entirely. Let's break it down. Bones are made up of 2 main components, collagen and calcium phosphate. Collagen is a protein that gives bones their flexibility, while calcium phosphate is a mineral that provides rigidity and strength. Together, these materials create a structure that's both strong and lightweight, a perfect combination for supporting your body. But what makes bones so much stronger than materials like concrete? The secret lies in their structure. Bones are not solid, they're filled with tiny, honeycomb-like spaces. This design, called trabecular bone, allows bones to absorb shock and distribute force evenly, making them incredibly strong without being too heavy. Concrete, on the other hand, is dense and rigid. While it's strong under compression, it's terrible at handling tension or twisting forces. Bones, thanks to their combination of collagen and minerals, can handle all kinds of stress, compression, tension, and even torsion. When you jump, run, or even just walk, your bones are under constant pressure. But instead of cracking, they bend slightly to absorb the impact. This flexibility is what sets them apart from other materials. Imagine if your bones were as rigid as concrete, every step would feel like walking on glass. So, if bones are this strong, why do they break? It's all about the limits of stress. Just like any material, bones have a breaking point. A high-impact force, like a fall or a car accident, can exceed that limit and cause a fracture. But here's the cool part: when a bone breaks, your body goes into repair mode. Specialized cells called osteoblasts and osteoclasts jump into action, rebuilding the bone stronger than before. It's like having a built-in repair crew. Bone strength isn't static, it changes over time. When you're young, your bones are incredibly resilient, thanks to a process called bone remodeling. Your body constantly breaks down old bone tissue and replaces it with new material. But as you age, this process slows down. Calcium levels drop, and bones can become weaker and more brittle. That's why conditions like osteoporosis are so common in older adults. Have you ever wondered why bones are the way they are? Evolution played a huge role. Our skeletons are optimized for both strength and mobility, striking a perfect balance between the two. Animals with heavier, denser bones might be stronger, but they wouldn't be able to move as efficiently. Here's the takeaway: your bones are one of nature's greatest engineering feats. They're not just passive structures holding you up, they're dynamic, living tissues that adapt, repair, and evolve over time. Think about this. The same bones that let you walk, run, and jump also have the potential to withstand forces that would shatter concrete. And yet, they're lightweight enough to keep you moving with ease. That's the beauty of biology, it's all about balance. So, the next time you think about your bones, remember this: they're not just strong, they're extraordinary. From their unique structure to their ability to heal, bones are a testament to the incredible power of nature and evolution.